Hi, Alan Cowgill here, and I am excited about the fact that GOREIA has asked me to come down and do a very special Saturday workshop, October the 6th. Mark that in your calendar. Don't lose that date. If you got sporting events going on TV, record them. Get to this event, and you will not be disappointed because one of the biggest items so many real estate investors have to get over is how to fund the deals. And I don't care if you're a beginner, intermediate real estate, or if you're an experienced real estate investor, you will find out that you will learn something from me that nobody else is teaching. In fact, you experienced guys, I am the best in the nation on the legal pieces of this. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice, but you want to be there because in the afternoon I'm going to teach that stuff. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get $5 million, be able to advertise and pool the money. Only have to fill out a 2-page form to go after the money. It only costs you $700 per year to do that. You can use it in any state. I want you to think about that. Now, I don't know of anybody else out there teaching this, but you can go out and tap into 5 million. And listen to this, the beautiful thing of this. The first year you get 5 million. The second year you can get a second 5 million. That's 10. The next year you can get another 5. This thing, that's 15. You can build and build and build on that. I call it my California loophole. Sounds slimy with that name, and I didn't realize that when I coined it, but the name of it is 14 words long, and I didn't want to say it every time. I train people on it, and so I made up that name, and I wanted to change the name here a while back, and the office liked it, and so did other folks, so it stuck. So join me. 5 million. Could you use an extra? Could you use just 1 million? You can do the same thing and borrow 1, 2, 3, whatever you want, up to 5 per year, year after year. Now, I brought a handful of things to this industry, and I don't tell you this to impress you at all. I tell you to impress upon you the depth of the knowledge that I've gained over my 2 decades and the focus that I have done on making sure I give you exactly what you need to attract and convert people into private money, and how to manage them, and how to be able to sleep at night. The other thing I'm going to teach, if I get time in the workshop, is what I coined as the 3-touch rule. And you're going to love that because it can save you a lot of pain out there. And a lot of people are using it and love it. And I'll do the SEC training that I talked about. One of the things that I got training on was the state-by-state rules, so I can stand in any state in the United States and teach this. Also, obviously, you got to know the federal stuff. And then the fact that there's 7 programs that we use, and I'll give those to you. That's October the 6th. I'll give it to you in the workshop. Let's take the mystery out of this SEC stuff. That's what, so many people don't have a clue on this. Well, you hang out with me for a little bit, you're going to get the information. And once I get done teaching that, just like in the morning, I'll take a break, and then I'll pull up a chair and I'll let you pound me with questions. I'll get all your questions answered. In the afternoon, after I teach the SEC stuff, it's the same thing. And you will be amazed at what you're going to learn. There's where it is. That's where the event is going to be. Come on, get there at 8:30, get signed in, settle down, and from 9 to 3, I'm your man. I'll be teaching Saturday, October the 6th. Mark your calendar right now, and it'll be a dynamite event. You are going to love every minute of it. I mean, people are enthralled with what they learn at that. I will teach my heart up. In fact, I've been told that minute for minute, I teach as much or more information than anybody out there. You're going to have a great time. Well, to your wealth. And I'll see you at the meeting.